Hi guys, tell me why there are so many experienced professionals are not able to qualify for a better job or getting better opportunities. Just think. Reason I will tell you. These people are not good at their interview skills. They were not able to present themselves. Let me ask you a question. For example, a candidate is going for an interview and there are more 20 candidates for the same one position. Now tell me why this company will hire him. All these candidates are having a similar kind of experience, exposure and qualification. So how this candidate will describe himself if he and she says that I have certain expertise, I have done certain things in my past. So what about these candidates? These 20 candidates have done the same thing. So how you are different from these candidates? Think. If you give them an answer that I have certain expertise, qualification, experience, then my dear friend, please go through the JD, job description, which says that they are looking for a people who have certain experience, qualifications and skills. So you are here because you have those kind of experience, skills and expertise. So why this company will hire you? Think. So for this you have to give a different kind of answers. If you give the traditional answers, you may not be selected. Let me ask one more question from you. Let's say if we hire you, in that case, what you can bring to the table or to the company, what these people will not. Again, what kind of answer you are going to give here? If you give the same answer that I have 10 years of experience, I am expertise in team handling, my expertise is business development, my dear friend, this is a requirement of the job. If you go to the JD, the same thing is mentioned there, that we need people who have 10 years of experience in business development, who is good at team handling, who should good at client acquisition. So what you can bring to the table which other people will not think. Guys, the most people are not able to qualify for the next round or for a better job. The reason behind that, they do not have a better interview skills. Guys, please do not take interview skills lightly. Your next 3 to 4 years of career will depend on this interview. If you're able to qualify this interview, only then you will be a part of a company. If you're not able to qualify it, you are not a part of a company and you are not able to show your skills and expertise to the company. So it is very important to qualify an interview. Guys, RKMG presents interview coaching for professionals. The purpose of this coaching is to help you to qualify any kind of interview, not only in India, even worldwide, and in any industry. Guys, myself have trained more than 1200 people in India and international market how to qualify for your next job. So guys, don't take interview for granted. Don't think that whatever you have done in the past, that will be applicable in your future job, because future job requirement is totally different what you have done in your past. Here definitely you are coming here for empowered position. You are looking for more challenging job. You are looking for a different kind of opportunities. So how can your past experience will benefit you in this? So guys, every position in a middle or senior management needs a very different or customized preparation. So you have to prepare differently because they are looking for a different kind of people. In this particular positions, you have a great competition. These competitions are not only from your colleagues, these competitions are from your junior also as well as your senior also, because they're at that particular time when the CTC on a higher side, responsibilities on the higher side, there are so many people who want to grab this position. Your juniors are also looking for, your colleagues are also looking for, and simultaneously in some cases your seniors are also looking for this kind of position. So competition will be very high. So if you take this interview coaching from us, that what will be the advantage of this? If you take this coaching from us, the first advantage that you are able to qualify any kind of interview for any industry, for any country. Second, when you are able to qualify these interviews in the first or the second round, there will be a huge financial gain for you. For example, if you missed any interview in first or second attempt, then you will not get a chance before 6 months. Normally, these are the rules of the company, and in some cases, you may not get a chance after 6 months also, because it is subject to availability of the position. So you are going to lose financial part as well as your career growth. So if you take our interview coaching, the first thing that you are able to qualify a lot of interviews. Second, you will gain financially as well as you will go ahead in your career. So guys, call us on the given number or visit our website for a detailed description of interview coaching. So guys, we are waiting for you. Call us, take an appointment. Do not miss this chance, because your career is more important. Believe me that we will help you to get the best job in the market. We are waiting for your call. Call us, visit us. Thank you very much.